Hello and welcome to the next lecture from this email marketing passive income course. Now in this lecture we are going to talk about the key components of email marketing, something which is very important for you to know in order to be able to run profitable email marketing campaigns and to set up everything very well from the very beginning. So let's dive into the information. First of all, let's see which are these key components of email marketing. You need an autoresponder. This is one of the most important things because if you don't have an autoresponder or an email marketing service that has the possibility to create an autoresponder, then you will not be able to create an email marketing sales funnel which works automatically and it's passive. Okay, now here are some examples of autoresponders that you can, let's say you can use. GetResponse is one, Aweber is one, MailerLite, MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and there are many others out there. You just have to look for them on Google if you want. But the ones that I've just shared with you are some of the best ones, and you can definitely use them with all the confidence that they are making their part of their service right. Then you need to create an email list. Okay, you need to have an audience. If you don't have enough subscribers in your email list, then not enough people will actually see your promotions, your offers, your products that you are selling in order to be able to generate money and income. So basically you will need to build your list. You'll need a subscribers list. Then in order for you to be able to build this email list, you will need capture pages, opt-in forms, and landing pages. So in order for these people to get on your list, so you have an audience and subscribers, you need to send them to a page where they can fill in a field with their email address, and that email address ends up in your list. Okay, so you'll need to be able to create these capture pages, opt-in forms, and landing pages. But if you choose one of the autoresponders that I have mentioned at the first point, you will have the possibility to create a hosted landing page by these email marketing services without you having to pay anything else. So you don't have to create a website if you don't want to, or other things like that. Okay, you will be able to create all of these things directly from your email marketing service or autoresponder. Then you will need an email sequence or email sequences. Okay, newsletters, autoresponders. So basically, what are email sequences or autoresponders? They are triggered by a different behavior of your subscribers. Okay, for example, it depends on the data that your subscriber gives to you. There are people who are building their list and they don't get only the email address of the subscriber. They get their name, they get their birth date, they get other information as well. But let's say in the simple case when you only get their email, after somebody gets on your list, you can create a trigger with an autoresponder. Basically, whenever someone new gets on their list, they get a special sequence of emails, okay, in a specific order at a specific time. For example, in the first day after they subscribe, they get a thank you email. Then 2 days after, they get an email with a free video course. Then 4 days after, they get an email in which you are telling them your story. And then the fourth email, you are selling to them something. Okay, you are promoting something. So that's the whole idea of an email sequence and an email marketing sales funnel. Now these are the key components of email marketing in basically the ones that you need for email marketing passive income generation. Obviously each of them has more details, but these are the key components that you need to know. Now thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.